Alrighty, folks, it's time to ask a millionaire. Is it easy to get wealthy? And let's define wealthy before we allow Jason to answer. I'm not just talking income. I'm not talking money in a bank account. I am talking true wealth. Jason, is it easy to get wealthy?
God. Oh man. I'm going to say no, it's not easy to get wealthy.
All
Um,
right.
and that goes against my initial instinct, but I want to unpack that with you. So I'm going to say no, it's not.
I like it. I would have guessed you would have said yes. So let's really
Yep.
talk about it. Why no? What is it that made you clearly hesitate, clearly made you think about it, and ultimately say no, it is not easy to get wealthy? Why is that?
So this is so I this is the context that I'll put it into for you guys, right? I think it's going to be a lot of work that you have to do. So being broke and not having any money is hard and it takes a lot of work. Becoming wealthy and doing all the things to do everything that you talked about is hard and it takes a lot of work. So you get to choose your heart at the beginning, guys. You know what I'm saying? And so
Yeah,
either one of them is going to be hard. And so I've done both and
me too.
I
I've
enjoy
done
being
both.
wealthy more than I do like being broke. So I think neither one was easy, but I chose my heart and I like being wealthy more than I do the other way around.
Yeah, the thing about getting wealthy that I want to see if you agree with is I think the framework for getting wealthy has been around for hundreds of years.
That's yes, I agree.
Hundreds of years.
Yep.
I have summarized it to three steps. There may be others. This is just my three. Step one, create disposable income. Disposable income is things that you can light on fire and your life doesn't change. Ideally, disposable income is stuff that you stack and buy assets,
Hmm.
right? So, step one, you can only do that. You can only do three things on step one: make more money, spend less money, or both. Those are the only three options. Pick one, do that. Number two, you have to become an elite investor at something. Is it real estate? Is it crypto? Is it stocks? Is it old Ford Mustangs? Is it, I don't care what it is. You have to become elite at some type of
Hmm.
investing. And then number three, you got to do it for 10 years.
Yep.
That's the formula, folks.
That's
And
it.
to Jason's point, most of you fall off because you sacrifice, you have life creep, you do something stupid, and you got to start over. That's it.
I always say simple but not easy. Real estate investing is very
Yes.
simple, but it's not easy. And so that's why I think I hesitate to say, hey, getting wealthy is easy because I
I
wouldn't
like it.
characterize it as easy. It is definitely very simple. And I think people like to overcomplicate things that they can't do successfully. So they say it's like, well, it's because of this or that. And it's not. Like what you said is absolutely the blueprint has been there forever. And
Yeah,
you
it really
just have
has.
to follow it, and following it takes a lot of time, effort, energy, and work and consistency, and you have to be persistent. And I think a lot of people are lacking those things. They want they want the shortcut, they want the magic bullet. And
Mm.
I heard this quote that I really like: real true wealth is built in a crock pot, not a microwave. It takes time,
Oh,
right?
ooh, I
And
like that.
you can't just press the easy button, guys. This is not, it doesn't work like that. You have to put the work in, you have to be patient, you have to trust the process. But those 10 years, they're going to pass whether they're going to pass either way. So what's the, like, you know what I mean? It's like,
Yeah.
why choose to do the other route when you can just do this?
Yeah. If I were to tweak the opening question from it's easy to get wealthy to it's simple to get
Hmm.
wealthy, would
I
your
like
answer
that. I would
change?
agree. Yes, 100%. Very simple, right? And that's
There you
good.
go,
That's,
folks.
yeah.
Simple to get wealthy. Yes. Easy to get wealthy. No. And you know what? After this conversation, I agree with Jason 100%. It's not easy. It takes time. It takes consistency. It takes sacrifice. Oh, by the way, sacrifice is not a four-letter word. You can be done. Jason, you're amazing. Thank you for being a part of the community. Where can people find you?
jasonpritchard.com. Connect with me there, guys, to get all the free resources that we use every single day in our business. And then follow me on either Instagram or Facebook if you want to follow along on the day-to-day journey of our real estate investing business.
Awesome, buddy. I appreciate you. Take care. Say hi to
Thanks,
Jen.
bud.